So I'm in the Trump Tower, lying in bed, and on the nightstand it says all on. Turns on all the lights. Overhead, take off all on. Sure, there. Overhead, turns on that overhead light. Nightstand, obviously. The nightstand turns off because it was already on. I can turn off overhead, and it turns off. Bathroom, turns on the bathroom light, but you can't see it because it's behind that wall. And then all off, obviously, turns them all off. And now we're in complete pitch blackness. And then that is the TV, and it is huge. Like, it's huge. That's my hand. And that's my arm. See? That's my entire arm. It's more than the length of my arm.